Welcome to the Wealth Wisdom, where knowledge becomes power and power builds your future.
In today's video, I have a small penny stock company that has partnered with Microsoft and OpenAI. This is an ag tech disruptor combining vertical farming, AI, and robotics. This company is a brand new queue for IPO, has been mentioned by the Microsoft CEO, and has received recognition from the United Nations and national awards for the work they are doing. In today's video, I will be talking about Agros Inc., ticker symbol AGZ. This stock has been volatile since going public, but between robust revenue growth, global partnerships, and a rapidly expanding market, the real question is simple. Is Agros being underestimated? Now, we've got a lot to get through in this video, so I'll keep the intro short. If you find any value in this video, please smash the like button. It takes a lot of time to make these videos, but it only takes 2 seconds to like, and it helps the channel a lot. I'm aiming to get 500 likes on this video, so help me hit that goal. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any future content like this. I want to point out that I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence. So first of all, what is Agros Inc., and what do they do? Agros is a vertically integrated ag tech company pioneering the future of food production through scalable indoor vertical farming and AI-powered farm management systems. The company designs, builds, and operates climate-controlled farms that produce clean, pesticide-free vegetables year-round. Their mission is to improve food safety, food security, and sustainability by creating a reliable and accessible food supply through agricultural technology and controlled environment vertical farming methods. The company only went public in October. Agros listed at an IPO price of $4, but the stock has been very volatile. By mid-October, it reached $7, then dropped sharply during the broader market sell-off, falling to around $1.80 before rallying back toward $5 and pulling back again. Despite this volatility, there is a lot to like about what this company is doing. Agros has received recognition from the United Nations Development Program and is included in the Malaysia SDG Investor Map, a global initiative recognizing enterprises aligned with the UN Sustainable Development Goals. Further validation came when Agros was awarded Malaysia's Best Agro-Technology Award for Innovation and Outstanding Contributions to Agricultural Technology, as well as the Emerging Brand Legend Award, recognizing its rapid growth and potential. Agros was later selected by Microsoft to present Agros Copilot to CEO Satya Nadella, with partnerships that include Microsoft, OpenAI, and distribution through leading retailers such as AEON and Village Grocer. Agros is positioning itself at the forefront of the ag-tech revolution in Southeast Asia and beyond. According to the company, the relationship with Microsoft through the Microsoft AI Cloud program has allowed them to build, publish, and develop their cloud-based Agros OS software application on Microsoft Azure. They are using the latest generative AI technologies available through the Microsoft Azure OpenAI service to develop Agros Copilot. This GenAI application enables human farmers to input queries and instructions to optimize every aspect of crop growth, energy use, and supply chain efficiency. Looking at the investor presentation, there are significant global growth opportunities in the ag-tech industry. Agros has comprehensive expertise in vertical farming and has achieved revenue growth of 127% and gross profit growth of 80% year-over-year. Agros offers a range of solutions, including designing and constructing indoor controlled environment vertical farms, operating and managing these farms, and selling fresh produce to wholesale distributors. Their ecosystem includes automated hardware, components and software integrated into Agros OS. The company currently operates two main vertical farms: a 10,000 square foot indoor controlled environment farm at Kota Damansara and a 50 square foot farm at Eon Mall Alpha Engel. The global agricultural market is growing rapidly as rising global food demand drives the need for higher crop yields. Controlled environment vertical farming can help meet these demands. The global ag market is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 13%, reaching over $75 billion by 2032. The vertical farming market is projected to grow at a 20% CAGR, reaching $21 billion by 2029. While the Asia-Pacific controlled environment vertical farming market is expected to grow nearly 30% annually over the next 5 years. So the question is, can a company like Agros tap into this growth? Looking at the financials gives us some insight. From 2022 to 2023, Agros experienced over 500% revenue growth, 2,700% gross profit growth, and net income growth of over 300%. Last year, they achieved 127% revenue growth and 84% gross profit growth, while net income declined slightly by around 4%. Breaking this down further, revenue from designing and constructing vertical farms increased from approximately $1.8 million to $4.6 million in just 1 year, while sales of fresh produce rose significantly to nearly $4.5 million. This progress did not go unnoticed, as the company received several awards for innovation and growth. The latest news announced that Agros achieved a breakthrough in growing Japanese strawberries using AI-powered technologies. The CEO stated that this milestone supports their mission to bring scalable, controlled environment vertical farming to more agricultural products. This innovation enables Japanese strawberries to be grown in Malaysia and distributed locally by the end of Q2 next year, with plans to expand distribution across Southeast Asia, the GCC region, and beyond. While this may not be a world-changing breakthrough on its own, the most important part of the announcement is that this development is driven by Agros' robotics capabilities. The Walker SAI humanoid robots will be used to monitor and manage the controlled environment vertical farms, boosting productivity, reducing labor requirements, and delivering more consistent crop quality. This follows an earlier announcement where Agros Robotics revealed a collaboration with UbTech Robotics, a global leader in humanoid robotics. This collaboration represents a major strategic step forward for Agros. UbTech is listed on the Hong Kong Exchange with a valuation of approximately $7 billion and employs over 2,000 people. UbTech's Walker S robots will be integrated as a hardware platform into Agros OS, automating key agricultural processes such as seeding, monitoring, harvesting, and crop optimization. Agros CEO stated that this collaboration is a major milestone in redefining agriculture through robotics and artificial intelligence, enabling the creation of smart, self-optimizing farms that support scalable production of cleaner, safer, and more sustainable food. Agros was also recently featured by Fortune in an article discussing how the company is turning farms into an asset class and reshaping agriculture. So what do you think? Let me know your thoughts on AGZ in the comments below. At the current price, this stock looks very interesting. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence. I'd also like to know your thoughts on the broader market after the recent big tech sell-off. Do you think this is an overdue correction, or is the AI boom coming to an end? I'd really appreciate your opinion. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.